Hey guys, so today we are doing a video about safety. If you have your kids, bring them out. Let's watch this together because this is some easy stuff you can do at your house today to make your kitchen a lot more safer. So when it comes to your kitchen, the first thing you want to talk about is when you are cooking in your kitchen, always have the handle facing inside. That is going to be really important when we have our pots and pans in here. Always have your handle facing inside. The next thing we're going to talk about is always use a towel or an oven mitt to grab anything that's metal in your kitchen. Even if you think it's cold, always use a towel. It's going to be really important, especially if it's been in the oven for a few seconds. Go in there, use a towel. Always keep your hands safe. Your hands are your tool, the biggest tool in your entire repertoire of tools. Make sure you protect them. Alright, so the next thing we're going to talk about is how to clean your kitchen. So one thing that I use all the time at home is vinegar. You can also use bleach as an option, but vinegars are really good antiseptic that you can actually put some vinegar. It's 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar. You can put it in a spray bottle or put it into a little container, wipe your counters down. That's going to kill bacteria, salmonella, and any other harmful cross-contaminations. Next thing we're going to talk about is the knife. So the knife is your biggest tool that you're going to be using. It's something you're going to use every day, and it's really important to keep it safe, and for the kids, understand like when it's in the sheath, you don't take it out unless your parents are around. All right. So one thing that you can buy in your store is a little sheath to put your knives in. It keeps the edge of your knife sharper longer. You don't have a knife just hanging out in your cupboard. You can also use a knife block. Those work really well. But if you're limited on counter space, which most people in Portland are, a little sheath that you put your knife in keeps the blade safe. You put it in there, you can grab it, and it's not going to hurt you. So make sure you get one of these. They cost like $3. You can get them in any grocery store or a kitchen supply store. You'll find these there. The next thing we're going to talk about is the cutting boards. So cutting boards are another tool in the kitchen that are misused. Easily can be solved through 2 things. Either through a shelf liner, which is made of a kind of like a rubber fabric material, or you can use a towel that's been dampened or a paper towel that's been dampened. When we put these on a surface, it tends to slip very easily. And if you're chopping a bunch of food or anything like that and there's water gets involved, it's going to slip even more. So what this does is you put something underneath your cutting board, keeps it from moving. You do the same thing with a towel. The towel down, keeps it from moving. That's going to be your top safety pick when it comes to whenever you're chopping anything, keeping your hands from slipping, falling, and cutting yourself. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys like these videos. Check us out on Facebook at Feed the Mass PDX, on Instagram at Feed the Mass, Twitter Feed the Mass, and YouTube. All the descriptions are going to be in the bottom. If you want to check out any of our products that we are demonstrating, we'll have a list of them in our description on YouTube. Have a wonderful day, and of course, God bless.